Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Hostinger pricing. I'll walk you through their hosting plans, what you actually get with each one, and how to save even more with the Hostinger promo code. If you're looking for affordable, reliable hosting this year, you'll want to stick around until the end. To save money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase, just click the link in the description below to visit Hostinger so you can take advantage of getting a Hostinger discount. Make sure you copy the Hostinger promo code I've included next to the link in the description that saves you more money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, may not receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Hostinger is well known for offering budget-friendly hosting with a lot of features packed in. Their three main shared hosting plans are Premium Web Hosting, Business Web Hosting, and Cloud Startup. Now let's go through each one so you can see which plan makes the most sense for you. Keep in mind, using the Hostinger promo code with the link in the description at checkout will save you even more than the current discounted price. First up, we have Premium Web Hosting. Starts as low as $2.99 per month on a 48-month plan. Lets you host up to 25 websites with 25 gigabytes of SSD storage. Includes 50 free email accounts for the first year. 2 mailboxes free. Comes with a free domain name when you choose annual billing. You'll also get unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, and a built-in AI website builder. This plan also includes fully managed WordPress hosting. Now here's an important note. If you plan on building an online store using the Hostinger website builder and need to accept payments, this plan doesn't support that. You want to go with the business plan instead. Next is Business Web Hosting. Pricing starts at just $3.79 per month on the 48-month term. Designed for bigger sites and e-commerce stores, supports up to 50 websites with 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, includes 100 free email accounts, 5 mailboxes free for the first year. Like Premium, it includes a free domain name with annual billing. Upgraded features include daily and on-demand backups, more processing power, a CDN for faster performance, and AI tools like an e-commerce website builder, AI writer, image generator, blog generator, and SEO tools. If you're serious about starting an online store, this plan gives you everything you need. Finally, we have Cloud Startup Hosting. Starts at $7.99 per month on the 48-month plan. Best for growing businesses or high-traffic websites. You can host up to 100 websites with 100 gigabytes of blazing fast NVMe storage. Includes 200 free email accounts, 10 mailboxes free for the first year. Comes with a free domain, dedicated IP address, automatic website migration, and priority 24/7 expert support. This is the most powerful shared hosting option from Hostinger. It is great if you expect lots of traffic and need maximum performance. Now let's talk about how you can save even more on Hostinger hosting, including a breakdown of the different terms offered and what to expect at renewal. When you're on the checkout page, you'll see Have a Coupon Code link. Click it, paste in the promo code I've included in the description below with the link, and hit apply. You'll see the updated discount instantly. The longer the term, the lower the price. Here's how the terms and renewals work. Premium plan, 48-month term, lowest price, renews at $10.99 a month. 24-month term discounted, renews at $10.99 a month. 12-month term is still a discount, renews at $10.99 a month. Monthly term, small discount, comes with a $4.99 setup fee, renews at $11.99 a month, and does not include a free domain. Business plan, 48-month term, best deal, renews at $13.99 a month. 24-month term, discounted, renews at $13.99 a month. 12-month term, also discounted, renews at $13.99 a month. Monthly term includes a $4.99 setup fee, renews at $13.99 a month. It does not include a free domain. Cloud Startup Plan, 48-month term, biggest savings, renews at $25.99 a month. 24-month term, discounted, renews at $25.99 a month. 12-month term, discounted, renews at $25.99 a month. Monthly term, renews at $27.99 a month. Does not include a free domain. So that's the full breakdown of Hostinger pricing. If you're building a personal site or small project, go with Premium. If you're starting a business or e-commerce store, choose Business. And if you want power, scalability, and top performance, Cloud Startup is the way to go. I'll leave a link with the Hostinger discount and promo code down in the description. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.